Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into today's video, I did want to share a tip with you. I'm actually reading Lust for Life by Oliver Stone. I think it's Oliver Stone. It's Van Gogh's story. And the one thing that really hits me is his determination to follow his gut. And combined with a YouTube I saw recently by Ian Roberts about something sacred. There is something sacred about listening to your gut and following your inner voice that's asking you to do something creative. So I feel like all of us need to remind ourselves that at moments when it's a frustrating day painting, when you're not getting the feedback that you want, when I think it's really important to remember to just follow that inner voice, not knowing what will come of it, only knowing that by following it we find a sense of peace that's just incomparable to anything else. And so yeah, that's my tip for the day. A little heavy, I know, I'm sorry, but please enjoy this video. Okay, so this is dried and it has a lot of rich colors, and call me crazy, but I see a dancing lady here and the colors remind me of peacock feathers, which also then reminds me of Krishna. So I've been kind of trying to sketch out, and I think I want to do this piece, except the lady might be here. I'm just going to draw that. So trying to place them